So guys, quick update lang po tayo sa pedalboard ko. So, late ko lang siyang ginawa yung video because gising ako ng gabi because of my body clock nga. So, nagtatrabaho sa trabaho. But, yun nga, malapit ko na matapos yung pedalboard setup. So, malapit nang dumating yung mga in-order kong pedals sa Shopee. And I've ordered the MV Elemental and Mini Universe for my delay and reverb, and of course the Moore pitch box. So ito na yan. So this is my latest update. So recently I've bought the BBD flanger from yours. So impressed ako sa settings niya, and ito na yan. So disregard natin yung Mentos. So EQ settings ng Joy Extreme Metal is still the same pa din. And I would expect na darating siya by tomorrow yung Mortgage Box, and I don't know kung kailan darating yung sa MVape. I think I would expect na darating siya by Saturday or Sunday. And ito na yan. So once na natapos ko, nakuha ko na yung pedal, yung mga pedals unboxing naman tayo on a separate video. So after this, yung guitar naman ang i-upgrade ko. So recently nakapag-order ako ng strap lock sa Shopee din, and I forgot to create a separate video for that. But by November, mag-order ako ng locks and tuners, and I think I would create a separate video for that. So, and that's it. I'll see you on the next video.